So, since you're here, let's get started with our nature walk. Let me show you what I've got in my backpack for today. You never want to go on a nature walk without having some items in your backpack. So friends, you can't go anywhere without your snacks. I even brought some peanut butter because peanut butter is very filling. Can't go anywhere without your water. And just in case I get lost, I brought my phone. Okay, now that you're here with me, friends, got my bag on, let's check some things out. Okay, so friends, I wandered just a little bit and I came back with some things. Some things I want to show you. So, I found this leaf. Check it out! Not only is it green, it does have some points on it, but I promise, it's not sharp. It's actually really smooth when you touch it. Can you say that? Smooth. Nice job. Check this guy out. This is some bark from the tree I found behind me. I didn't take it off the tree because that's not very nice. I found it on the ground, I promise. This is actually pretty rough. Can you say that? Rough. It's okay to touch new things when you're outside, especially when an adult tells you it's okay. Alright friends, some of the other things we've got going on is we are doing some workout activities. Hi friends, are you still there with me? So we're going to try some toe touches. You're going to stand like this, and you're going to go down and touch the opposite toe. Let me step a little bit further so you can see. Did you try it? I hope you did. Well, friends, you know what? It is hot today, so I'm going to take my backpack and get out of here. See you next time.